A massive storm system has engulfed the United States, impacting over 100 million people. From tornadoes in the south to blizzards in the north, the nation is facing an unprecedented weather emergency. The storm's reach is vast, stretching from the Canadian border to the Gulf of Mexico. Millions are facing power outages, impassable roads, and the threat of severe damage to homes and businesses. This is not just another storm, it's a stark reminder of the increasing volatility of our climate. The intensity and the sheer scale of this event are deeply concerning to meteorologists and disaster relief organizations alike. The economic and human tolls are expected to be significant, with early estimates predicting billions of dollars in damages and, tragically, potential loss of life. Already states are declaring emergencies. Governors are mobilizing National Guard units to aid in evacuations and provide support to overwhelmed first responders. The Federal Emergency Management Agency, or FEMA, is on high alert, coordinating relief efforts and preparing for what could be a prolonged recovery period. The situation remains fluid and unpredictable. As the storm continues its destructive path, one thing is clear: the nation is facing a test of its resilience. How we respond to this crisis, how we support each other in the face of such widespread devastation, will define us as a nation. In the South, a terrifying tornado outbreak is unfolding. States like Alabama, Mississippi, and Tennessee are in the storm's crosshairs. The Storm Prediction Center has issued its highest level of alert, warning of long-track tornadoes capable of causing catastrophic damage. Eyewitness footage from social media shows homes ripped from their foundations, businesses reduced to rubble, and terrified residents seeking shelter in whatever makeshift protection they can find. "It sounded like a freight train roaring right at us," said one shaken survivor in Mississippi, his voice trembling as he described the terrifying moments before the tornado struck his town. Adding to the chaos, tinderbox conditions in the southern plains and southwest have ignited wildfires that are spreading at an alarming rate. Driven by high winds and fueled by dry vegetation, these infernos are consuming thousands of acres, forcing evacuations in Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas. "We've never seen fire behavior this extreme," said a fire chief in Texas, his face grimed with soot, battling to contain a blaze visible from space. As if tornadoes and wildfires weren't enough, the northern tier of the country is grappling with a different kind of extreme weather. A powerful blizzard is burying the Rockies and northern plains under a thick blanket of snow. Winds howling at near hurricane force are creating blinding whiteout conditions, making travel impossible. Roads are impassable, schools and businesses are closed, and the threat of frostbite is very real. We're urging people to stay home, stay warm, and check on their neighbors, especially the elderly and vulnerable, said a spokesperson for the National Weather Service, emphasizing the life-threatening nature of the blizzard. Meanwhile, on the East Coast, heavy rain is threatening to unleash another widespread flooding. Rivers and streams are already swelling to capacity, and low-lying areas are bracing for potential inundation. Emergency officials are urging residents to prepare for possible evacuations and heed all warnings. Amidst the chaos and destruction, stories of human resilience are emerging. Neighbors are helping neighbors, sharing food, water, and shelter. First responders are working tirelessly, putting their own lives at risk to save others. Volunteers are flocking to affected areas, offering whatever assistance they can. "Even in the darkest of times, the human spirit shines through," remarked a Red Cross volunteer, her eyes welling up as she described the outpouring of support from communities across the nation. From coast to coast, people are donating to relief organizations, offering their homes to displaced families, and sending messages of hope and solidarity. This storm has tested us, but it has also reminded us of our shared humanity. It has underscored the importance of preparedness, the power of community, and the indomitable spirit that resides within us all. As the nation begins the long road to recovery, it does so with a renewed sense of determination, knowing that even in the face of nature's fury, we will rebuild stronger than ever before.